back no more. Hit the road, Jack. Don't you come back no more, no more, no more, no more. Hit the road, Jack. Don't you come back no more.
We carry our smartphones all the time, wherever we go. Whether posing for a family portrait, capturing incredible landscapes, or even something unexpected, we naturally reach for our smartphones. And in all of these moments, we want to capture the best, high-quality photos and videos every time. But this can be difficult, depending on the environment and lighting conditions. At Samsung, our goal is to help everyone take pro-quality photos and videos, no matter the environment. And it all starts with our most advanced image sensor.
The Galaxy S21 Ultra's powerful camera experience starts with its upgraded 108 megapixel image sensor. It's optimized to elevate image quality for various shooting environments. In situations with ample lighting, Remosaic technology maximizes resolution to produce stunning photos by rearranging and optimizing all of the camera's 108 million pixels according to RGB Bayer patterns. The Galaxy S21 Ultra's new Remosaic algorithm uses 2 times more pixels than before to create images with more clarity, detail, and sense of texture. Low light situations provide a more challenging environment. When pixels do not receive enough light, images produce noise, irregular, grainy spots that distort the image. Enter groundbreaking Nona binning technology. At the sensor stage, a set of 9 pixels are combined into one larger pixel, increasing each pixel's surface area for capturing light. This ensures the sensor gets enough light to produce bright, detailed photos, even in darker environments. And in extreme darkness, when even the human eye struggles to see.
Wow.
The S21 Ultra sensor uses AI for a powerful night mode experience. With one press of the shutter, multiple frames are processed at incredible speeds to eliminate noise and blur. Then, countless reams of data collected by the sensor are processed by an internal AI ISP algorithm to identify and preserve the subject's true shape and color tone. This is possible even in conditions of extreme darkness under 0.1 lux. The results are stunning. In the case of backlighting, especially when the subject is in motion, groundbreaking 12-bit HDR combines 2 simultaneously captured 10-bit frames into a single 12-bit output. This process not only eliminates motion blur, but also produces dynamic range 3 times wider than that of 10-bit color.
Extraordinary hardware sets the foundation to capture professional quality images in any situation. But hardware is only half the story. Powerful software maximizes the strengths and benefits of our incredible hardware. Zoom photography is one area where this harmony of hardware and software turns your picture into a masterpiece. Let's say you are on a hike and you come across an amazing view, but you can't actually get to the other side. What would you do? Would you give up? Well, you don't need to, because our space zoom will take you there. These are the kinds of moments that inspire our technology. It is this tight integration of innovative hardware and powerful software that allows us to realize our vision for Galaxy S21 Ultra.
Space zoom on the Galaxy S21 Ultra is a turning point in the zoom experience. offering superb clarity between 1 and 100 times zoom. To improve image quality in the 1 to 10 times zoom range, innovative dual zoom combines mid-range 3 times optical zoom with long-distance 10 times optical zoom to provide an optimized and balanced range of choices. But fitting 10 times optical zoom into the slim body of a smartphone is not easy. To make this possible, 2 precise folds are incorporated into the lens design to minimize thickness and length. Mirrors direct light across sharp angles and pathways to produce pro-level magnification without the need for more lens equipment. The end result is a powerful yet compact double-folded lens that fits perfectly within a small space. From 10 to 100 times zoom, image quality is boosted by powerful super-resolution AI. At one push of the shutter, up to 20 frames are captured and processed at instantaneous speeds. Advanced AI then evaluates and corrects thousands of fine details to produce detailed images even at high magnification levels.
Wow, it's magic!
And when shooting at high magnifications, Zoom Lock uses intelligent software to set the image in place so you can shoot with minimal shake. The Galaxy S21 Ultra provides hardware and software excellence up to 100 times zoom, but the zoom experience covers more than just long-distance shooting. The 4-lens optical system provides a range of optimized focal lengths, including one for intense macro shots. The S21 Ultra's camera uses its laser autofocus sensor to measure the distance between lens and subject in real time. If an object within 30 centimeters is detected, the camera automatically switches to the new 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens, now with autofocus, and applies optimal macro settings for extreme close-ups up to 5 centimeters in distance. Combining top-of-the-line hardware with groundbreaking, newly evolved software, the Galaxy S21 Ultra captures incredible details, all with just a press of the shutter.
At Samsung, we believe that anyone should be able to take pro-quality photos, even if they are not professional photographers. And we are committed to providing an end-to-end visual experience so you can capture, edit, store, and share your most memorable photos and videos with your family and friends. We continue to innovate, combining our industry-leading camera hardware with the unique visual experiences delivered by our software. And so we will continue on this never-ending journey of camera innovation.
Wow.
I say